Today I'm reviewing the Beast 850 Personal Compact Blender. It goes for $149.99 on Amazon, and I wanted to see what the hype is. So stay tuned to OnToReviews. Subscribe if you haven't already. We review products in our home using our own recipes. We vet them. We'll let you know the pros, the cons, so you can make an informed decision for your kitchen. So I unpacked this. Let's go through each of the parts here. Here's your motor, and on the back here is your power button. And on the front here is your blend and pulse button. And with this, you get a small, a medium, and a large size vessel. And the motor twists off each one of these, and you just connect it to whatever size you're using. With one of the cap options, which is sort of nice, you get a opening for two of the straws that they give you. So you'll just insert that like this. And this cap comes off as well. So you can use it as like a drink on the go when you make your smoothies. So that feature is really nice. You also get two storage caps and you get a carrying lid as well. So there's a lot of really nice features that go into this product. I reviewed the Ninja NutriBlend, which also has a few on-the-go options, but I will say that this is definitely more involved. I thought that this was made of glass, and I am looking for something that is. So however, I was disappointed that this was plastic after all. You also get this tool here, which I imagine is to clean the motor. We're gonna put this to the test. I'm going to make some fresh orange creamsicles, and we are going to see how this performs overall. So stay tuned, let's get on to reviews. Okay, we're gonna get started by opening our can of coconut milk using the Kitchen Mama, which we reviewed earlier. We'll link that below. And then we're gonna get started while that does its work by cutting the oranges. We'll add the oranges to the vessel here. I'm gonna add some fresh yogurt. The coconut can be added now that it's opened, a little vanilla, maple syrup, and a little bit more orange since there's a little space there. We'll screw the top on here, and then you just place it on top of the motor and you just give it a little turn and click. You can either pulse it or hold the button down and it will go for 1 minute. Now this will continue 1 minute intervals until you tell it to stop. Okay, so that's ready to go. We're gonna unscrew the cap and I'm just gonna add this to my measuring pouring cup and my Leku popsicle molds, which I'll also link below. So now that they're in the molds, I'm gonna put them in the freezer and we're gonna have fresh homemade creamsicles. Okay, after using the Beast, I can see what the hype is. It's a beautifully made product. It has really nice aesthetic appeal. It'll look good in my cupboard, even though the cupboards are closed. For $149.99, I think you get a lot of really neat accessories, and it was really easy to use and actually really enjoyable. The downside, I will say, is that this is not plastic. Just from seeing these advertised, I just assumed it was glass. So if this was made of glass, I think that would be like 100% a top pick for me. But using this product was really nice. I love that you have a small, a medium, a large size vessel to use. The vessels are pretty decent in size. You can get a good size smoothie made out of these. I like that this was thought out, that it comes with its own straw, and they give you a cleaning tool as well for the straw. And I like that it also comes with a lid. So this is super versatile for those that are on the go. I would highly recommend this product. I think the fact that it is timed as well at 1 minute intervals when you're using it. So it's one of those products that you can press and you can walk away and do other tasks as well. And I think these days we're all on the go. And I think that's something that's beneficial to a lot of families these days, especially us. So thanks for watching OnToReviews. I hope this was helpful for you. We'll link this product below along with some of the other tools that I used in this video. We test products in our kitchen using our own recipes so that you can stay informed and make informed decisions for your kitchen. Thanks for tuning in to OnToReviews. Subscribe if you haven't and give us a like.